message. Gagawin natin ngayon. Close natin to. Ang una nating gagawin ay itong stop work. Okay. You work from Warsaw. It seems whenever a new employee show up, there is outbreak of virus and work resulting in a lot of lost productivity. The boss put you in charge of preventing new employees from spreading email virus and worms. Itong si Joe, ito yung main character natin. Joe was just hired. He spent the day in orientation and he said has room for only one instruction. What thing should she do or not to do? Ayan si Joe. Oh. Ayan si Joe. I-play natin. May na-receive siyang email. Yun, kitin screensaver. Wait lang natin.
I guess I'll just click on this here.
So, virus yun or worm. Then, ang objective natin dito, your job, Joe is a new employee, you must instruct him not spread worms. Instruct natin si Joe na wag spread yung worm and worm or viruses. There is one specific procedural security choice that can greatly affect whenever Joe will spread worm and viruses. Double click on Joe computer and make the one procedural security choice that will must reduce Joe likelihood of spreading worm. So dito, ang goal natin ay instruct si Joe na wag mag-spread ng worm or viruses. So click natin itong computer niya, then dito mag-aano tayo. So ano yung ano natin? So email yung ano na receive ni Joe na may virus. So kaya makikita ang pipiliin natin itong ano, beware of email attachment. So, click natin to. Then, back tayo sa office. Just play natin ulit. Ayun, tama. Good job by telling Joe to beware of email attachment. He become less likely to blindly open malicious attachment or of particular concern or executable email attachment. Email siya. So, yung beware. Seven, inano natin beware of email attachment. Okay. O, may quiz na, may brief quiz daw siya na ibibigay itong system. Then, Joe gets an attachment named memo doc from a coworker should be open it. Joe, so, ano, i-open ba natin to? Pero parang from the coworker daw. Eh di, pwede na, mapagkakatiwalaan to. Yes. Yun, tama. Yes, of course. How else would Joe learn of the mandatory staff meeting? Para ma-learn daw ni Joe na may mandatory staff meeting. Malicious software can spread via document attachment. However, it is often risk you need to take. Magte-take ka ng risk kung gusto mo i-open or hindi. The risk can be reduced using up-to-date antivirus software. Ito, si Joe get an attachment in funny clip that text from a friend who say he should rename it to funnyclip.com and open it to see hilarious video clip should be open. Kapag itong funny clip.txt, tapos pinapalitan ng friend mo ng funnyclip.com, wag mo yan to dahil kung pinalitan mo, may pupuntang link yan sa browser at doon mo makaka-receive ng virus or worms. Kaya to. Yun, tama. Good job stopping the tap. The file was from Vandal posting as Joe friend. It was sent as text to get around firewall. Tama. Then, hit natin to. Tama yun. Tapos yung first scenario. Then, second scenario. Itong password. You have been put in charge of information management for Ringo Mingle Single and online dating service. Dito sa scenario na to, etong lalaki na to, try niyang i-hack or bypass tong computer ng ng babae. Ayan. Ito yung objective natin. Henry intend to making Lucy life difficult. His preferred tactic is exploit poor password policies in order to corrupt the database that she used. Your job is establish procedural and or configuration policies that contribute to good password management. So, yung babae daw poor password siya. Mali. Kaya mabilis ma-hack. Yan. Click here. Here's my ringtone. Wait natin. Ayan na. This is not my customer. Malaysia modified special case database another user ID was shown that user has access to Lucy computer was achieved because no password. So, punta tayo dito sa computer ni Lucy. Then, password character. Moderate natin to. Yan. Tapos yung moderate, then balik tayo. Click natin. And then modified special ID and password length. Yan. Then ito, huwag natin tanggalin natin yan. Tapos ito ilagay natin. Lock or log off unintended. user access. Try natin pumunta dito sa components. Ito. Tapos i-train na lang natin si si Lucy medium train cause yan. Okay, then balik natin. Train natin. Yun. Hindi hindi niya siya makalagin sa Lucy account anymore. How utterly. Tapos, congrats you have thwarted Henrik attack on Lucy account and sent him packing. So, ayun lang. Thank you sa panahon.